What's up, everybody? I'm finally back. Now, you may have been seeing me post some shorts, been trying to tinker with that, see what kind of engagement I can get with shorts on top of my long form videos. And today, what we're going to be doing is the double down from KFC. Ladies and gentlemen, this sandwich was way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be relatively the same size as the KFC wraps. I was mistaken. This thing has got some girth to it, ladies and gentlemen. I never got to experience the double down when it first came out, but this is what this son of a gun looks like. You got, instead of their ad was rest in peace buns, right? There's no buns on this chicken sandwich. It's just, you got your bun of fried chicken here, your bun of fried chicken there, some bacon, cheese, and mayonnaise, I believe. I don't know if I got mayonnaise on mine, I can't remember. But I believe that is what your KFC Double Down is. And this thing is so freaking huge. I did not expect this at all, but it looks freaking delicious. I believe the Double Down was the quote-unquote secret menu item that has came to life before, and now it is back for a limited time. So let's see what the KFC Double Down is all about. This is wild. You got that classic KFC seasoning on there. Those secret herbs and spices, bacon and cheese, and this thing is huge. I can't believe how big this thing is. Oh my goodness. I should let it be known that before I filmed this video, I actually had 3 of my own soft shell tacos from Taco Bell, plus 1 1/4 of my wife's. So my tummy's a little bit full. But this is genius. This is some I'm high as a kite Saturday night vibes right here. I just can't believe how big this sandwich is. Yeah, I think I ordered mine without the mayonnaise, but that's okay. Ooh. My tum's already full, but we're here. We're getting a review done. The first one from the new place. The KFC Double Down. What will I give this? This is a very unique, this is one of the most unique items I've tried. No buns, big ass chicken breasts. R.I.P. buns, that's correct. Yep, I'm gonna. This is delicious. It's big, it'll fill your tummy. I think it runs for like $9. So, I think that's the price I saw it as, just as a sandwich. So, you get quite a bang for your buck. This is a 9 out of 10 for me. I'm probably, but like I said, my apologies. I'm going to take a couple more bites. I'm not sure if I'll finish it in this video. This thing is huge. Oh, man. But like I said, I had ate. I was hungry, like a wolf. Ate some soft shell tacos, and now my stomach is filled to the brim. But I'm going to take a couple more bites. We did a review, and I'm going to save it for later. Doesn't happen often, but that's just the way things are going, okay? Just cut me some slack, all right? Cut your boy Supersonic some slack. But I'm here. We're back at it. And I'll be getting videos back to you guys as soon as I can. Besides shorts and stuff, you know what I mean. Plus, you got to get the ideas going. I got some good ideas set up for you guys. Back to rambling. Here we go. Ah. I like it. Remember, limited time only. Not sure how long they do this. They're going to be doing this for. Definitely something to try. It's huge. Like, still this. It's still got some weight on it. And I went about halfway through the dang thing. A lot bigger than I was expecting. Way bigger than I expected. Because I thought it was going to be some little dinky little thing. Like the wraps. Alright. One more bite. We'll get this. Get a piece of bacon. Oh, there is bacon right there. Here we go. Well, if I eat anymore, I'm going to throw up. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to save the rest for later. But we got the... Because when I moved, funny thing was that they're like, oh, guess what? We're bringing back the Double Down. And I'm like, shit. Because the only one that, the only KFC that was around was in the town we just moved from. So, and, but hey, luckily, I got there just in time. And that thing is, wow, that is a big old sandwich. Kentucky Fried Chicken sandwich, the Double Down, let's go. 9 out of 10, delicious, a lot of food there, no buns. So prepare to get your fingers a little greasy. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, we have reviewed the KFC Double Down just in time. Thanks for watching and supporting, guys. It's great to be back, and I'll see you again real soon. Peace! Did y'all actually think I wasn't going to finish this KFC Double Down in one video? You were wrong. Sure, I changed my clothes, but we're finishing this right here, right now. I still have this little bit left of this behemoth. This thing is hot. I nuked that thing in the microwave. Gonna burn my fingers off finishing this video up. Here we go. Let's see what it tastes like after it's been reheated. The cheese is funky, to say the least. I don't have any napkins, so it's just going to have to be greasy. Oh, that was nice. Ooh. I had the hot KFC chicken sandwich in my mouth. Cold sweet tea, fresh out of the fridge. Oh, that felt good. That was yummy. Plus the flavors of, you know, the fried chicken and the sweet tea coming together. Oh, that's so good. Now the bacon, once reheated in a microwave, starts to look like tactical bacon from years past war. Left over from World War II. Oh man. I wasn't about to let you guys get out of here, out of this video, without seeing me polish this sucker off. Wouldn't be doing the Supersonic Nation justice by doing so. Mm. Mm. Oh. Gold Peak sweet tea. There's nothing better. Tell you what, this sandwich could be 2 meals in one. Easily. Maybe even 3. It's pretty big. Big, bad, and delicious. Tactical bacon. Ooh, that piece of cheese is super hard. Nuke the shit out of it. Here we go. We are down to the last bite or two. Got that KFC chicken grease all over my hands. There we go. We finished it off. It was filmed in one full day. This isn't me filming one part and then the other on a different day. The sandwich was finished in one day. And that day was March 20th, 2023. Gonna have to get a refill of my sweet tea. See you later.